Want more bookings without posting every day? Optimize your Google business profile like a pro. This is the single fastest way most repair shops can show up on maps and get near me calls. Start by choosing the right primary category. Be specific. Then add secondary categories for your real services, not everything. Next, complete every field: services, hours, appointment link, and a short keyword-rich description that sounds natural. Now the magic: photos. Upload 5-10 new photos each week: before, after, your team, the waiting area, tools, and close-ups of common repairs. Google rewards freshness and customers trust what they can see. Then post weekly updates. Keep it simple: one offer, one tip, one quick story. Add a call to action like call now or request quote. Reviews are your fuel. Ask every happy customer the same day, send a direct review link, and reply to every review with service keywords and gratitude. Finally, track results and insights: calls, direction requests, website clicks. Double down on what grows. One more tip: enable messaging and add your most asked services as products with a price range. This boosts clicks and filters time wasters.